Hi, Keto friends. How are you today? Are you feeling wonderful? Wow, that's great. Anyway, we have learned so many ways to measure the perimeter of some things. Okay, so perimeter is when you know the length of all around the thing. Okay, now Miss Winda is going to show you another way to measure perimeter with your hand. With our hands, can we do it, Miss? Of course we can. We can use one hand or even two hands. We will call it handspan. Can you repeat after me? Handspan. So in here, you are going to measure things with your hand. So you need to open your hand like this. And we are going to measure the perimeter um, with the length of our hand. So it's from the tip of our inky finger until the tip of our thumb. Miss Winda will show you how to measure things with the hand span. We will start with one hand only. Yeah, so this is the first way. Here we go. Okay, now look at this. One, two, three, okay? Four, yeah. You need to open your, Miss Huda will repeat. You need to open your hands widely. You need to open one of your hands widely. And then close it. You need to put your inky finger and thumb together like this. Okay, now let's practice together. Let's do it together. And then we need to open again. Close again. Open. Close it. Open again. Okay, that's how you do it. And the second way is using two hands, yeah? Like this. We put our hands together and then move one of our hand. And then we move the other hand again. Like that. Okay? Now Miss Winda will repeat. Okay, so in here we got two handspans already. And then because our hands are just two, we cannot just move use another hand. We will just move the other hand like this. You connect the inky fingers. And then now you connect the thumbs. And we will keep repeating that way. Now, Miss Winda is going to measure the mat here with one hand. Now you take a look. This is how I measure it. Okay, now Miss Winda will repeat again. And we will count together the total of the hand span for measuring the perimeter of this mat. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you start from that side and you will end or finish on that side too. Yeah. So Miss Winda starts in here. Wait, let me draw the circle. Yeah, Miss Winda starts in here, and I also finish in this side, in this point. Yeah, so more or less 10 handspans. The perimeter of this mat is more or less 10 handspans. Wait, do I say it more or less? It is because when you ask your mother or your father to use their hands to measure the perimeter with the handspan, it may be different with yours. Yeah, so yeah, we call it more or less. Okay, now Miss Winda will show you how to measure the perimeter of this mat using both hands. Okay, now we will count how many handspans that we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's how we use our hands to measure the perimeter of something. And well, I give you a job. I need you to measure the perimeter of your pillow using your handspan and your towel. Okay. All right. So letter, I need you to say the length. I mean the perimeter of those things. So for example, the perimeter of the pillow is more or less, for example, 10 handspans. The perimeter of the towel is more or less, let's say, 20 handspans. Yeah. Okay. So don't forget, you can choose one of the ways. So for example, if you want to use one hand only, that's okay. But if you want to use both of your hands, that is also okay. Okay, friends. So I hope that you enjoy our activity today and see you next time. Bye bye.